Okay, good evening friends. So friends, let us start with our breakout patterns today. So we will study different patterns. Okay. So there are different patterns, friends, which are very reliable. Okay. We need to search them for for intraday or even for positional trades. These trends are very reliable, but yes, they are not formed always. We may need to search them, but any day we get those patterns. They are very reliable, and that's a very reliable entry for a big move, we can say. So let us try to find. I'm trying to find ascending triangle, that pattern I told yesterday also. Some patterns are very common, but some are not very common. Okay. Oh, sorry, I think there was one. I think so. Hello Suji sir, good evening. Okay friends, so I have got one pattern here. Okay, so this pattern is giving us a shape of a triangle. Okay, the way heads, there is one low and then one low, and after that there is a breakout. So its breakout is, we can say, it has not formed. Here is also one low, but it is almost similar. Okay. So we could see that there is a shape like a triangle fence. So this is a ascending triangle, because see here the highs are lows are getting higher and highs are approximately equal. Okay, so in this case our target will be approximately equal to the gap from where this we can say triangle formation has started. So it has started somewhere this level. Okay, that is level of 81 in Lupin. Yeah, it's an old pattern actually. 81, yeah, 81 and up to 99. Okay, so we could say approximately 20 points is this. Okay, now let us see. From 99 it has gone to, yes, 120. It has gone up to 130 even. It has made up to 130 points. Okay, after the breakout it has given us 130 point fence. This is, so here is the breakout, and can you see this volumes, friends? There is volume rise also, but volume rise has started somewhere here in this level. Okay, so see, after this breakout there is a very big boom. So we should try to find these patterns. Okay, they may be available in intraday also, or in daily chart, or in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes time frame, hourly charts, different patterns. Okay, in different time frames. And the reliability depends on the time frame, because if we get in intraday, so obviously that would be a small range. That would be a small range, and the movement would be accordingly as per the level, it would be that much. So friends, we should try to find these patterns. Okay, 1 minute. I think there is one more. Yes, you could see highs are approximately equal. Highs are approximately equal, and lows you could see here. This is one low, okay, and there is another low. It is somewhat different. Okay, it doesn't look that reliable. It looks little different, but it gives the shape of a triangle. Okay, so we could see here that it may be different shaped. Okay, there may be slight variations as shown in some pictures. They may look different. Okay, so what we need to see is we have to wait for the breakout, and then after we can expect some upward move. So see, it has started from this level of somewhere 40, high was 59, so again at approximately 60 points. So we have to see from 40 level, 60 level, it has gone to 80. Yes, exactly equal, friends. So it has given exactly equal 20 points movement here. 20 points movement, and this is on daily chart. Okay friends, so hopefully this pattern is clear to everybody, that how to play this pattern. We have to wait for, friends, we have to wait for the breakout to happen. Let me just search some other stock. Let us study in granules maybe. So we have to study in different stocks. You could see here I have put many lines. I have studied this chart. Let me remove few lines. Okay, now friends, you could see this level. Look at this level. There are highs, two highs, which are almost equal. Okay, and these are some lows which are higher. So it formed higher lows, this condition. Okay, this is our condition, sorry, that in this pattern we get some high levels, okay, and the lows are getting higher. So you could see there is one big low, okay, another big low, okay, and after that there is a breakout of this point. Somewhere at this point there is a breakout and stock has moved up and it has come down again, but did not break this level. So in this case we will keep stop loss of this low level, this low, because you know stock has started up move from this level and has gone above this level, it has broken this level, okay. So we may wait for some time, for 1 or 2 days also, for you know, for getting confirmed signal. Don't just you know, enter immediately. So here we need to wait for some time. Let me just zoom out. So you could see, friends, in this day stock has given a breakout, okay, but there is a wick also. Stock given a big move up to 138, okay, the level was 134, okay, and it could be a stop loss of 128 stop loss, and you know, its breakout was at 135 somewhere, 134, 35, okay. But this day, you know, it may be risky to enter, because see, same thing has happened in past also, but stock has gone down, okay. So it's not a confirmed signal for our entry. So for entry side we need to wait for next day. If stock opens next day higher to that, okay, or remains above that level, because see, the next day stock remained above 35, and that started upward journey, okay. So slowly it shifted upward, it remained, even we could say that stock has not given big movement upside, it remained in this range. and after here, there may be some time, after the breakout, sometimes stocks remain in a range, accumulation period. Okay, so right time is to enter after the accumulation period is over, or we can say at accumulation period we can take an entry with a stop loss of some previous low level. So you could see here that stock remained in accumulation period. Here is an accumulation phase. After this, you could see the stock has given big movement upside. So it made to this level, 153 somewhere, yes, 153. Okay, so what was our difference? We have to see it. It started from this level, 119.20, let us say 122, 135. So approximately 15 points are there. So now we have to see about this level whether it has given 15 points or not. 135 to 153. Okay, so exactly we can say it has given us exactly 15 points. Exactly 15 points are done by the stock. Got it, friends? Is this thing clear? This is an accumulation period. After the breakout has happened, so stock has remained in this range for some time, and after accumulation, okay, there is an accumulation period, and then after it given a big up move. So sometime it may happen, okay, right? So friends, one thing is that in case we are trying to, just like in this day, I am telling you, this day there is a, this candle is there. So there is a breakout of this day only, okay. On the same day there was a breakout, but see that day the stock is given a big upside movement. It formed a big wick. Okay, it came to level of, we can say still its level of, we can say it's equal high level, or we can say the resistance level. So this day we should not enter in this stock. We should wait for the next one day, at least one day. So we have to see what happened next day. Okay, if stock doesn't break, lows, that doesn't go below, then we can enter. So if we have entered in this day, okay, in this level, somewhere anywhere in this level of 135, 36 somewhere, okay, yes, 136 or so, 136, 37 level, okay, and see stock has given a movement up to 153 so far, and I think this is the highest level of granule so far in life. I think so, yes, this is the highest level, I think 157. So is this pattern clear, friends? Ascending triangle is clear to everybody? Friends, ascending triangle clear? Hello? Yes sir, please. Sir, we have to look for these patterns, okay. There is no shortcut. Sometimes we may get these patterns. We need to keep watching different charts. So, hello? Sir, actually I have not, I have no record of such things, okay. Stocks keep on forming these, but there are many stocks, so there's no, I'm not able to show you in the recent, because see these patterns are formed in different ways, okay, and are sometimes they are formed, sometimes not formed, okay. So there are different stocks, so it's difficult to tell you, but yes, I'm telling you this is one type of pattern how to trade. If we get in life, if we get some pattern like this, so here we can find a means we get a way that how can we trade on the basis of that pattern, okay, right sir, because these patterns are not very common, so they are not very popular even. Some patterns are very popular, just like common, just like look at this double bottom, triple bottom. These patterns are very common, and you might have seen once stocks have fallen down, then they form some, and double top level, you might have heard that also. Those patterns are very common actually. So in case some stocks has fallen big, okay, so from there the stocks take a reversal, just like look at this, once it was falling down, here it made a, we can say it made a triple bottom, sorry, it made triple bottom and then reversed. You could see here one bottom, then stock moved up again, one bottom, again moved up, again bottom. Okay, so this pattern is quite reliable to trade. When stocks make this, so it is very sure that stock will take a reversal. So see, after some fall in past, the stock was in falling trend. Okay, it was falling from some level. Okay, it's a small stock actually. So it came to from a level of 157 sorry, from 157 160 level, stock came to level of 100 actually. Yeah, somewhere 1 minute. Yeah, 104 5 somewhere 100. Okay, then it given a movement up to 124, again dipped to 105. Okay, again up. So this is a very sure pattern that stock will take a reversal, and you could see that there is we can say there are three main bottoms are there. So this is a triple bottom reversal. So you could see after that reversal point, stock has given a we can say strong upward movement. Okay, see, from that stock has given a big movement upside. So some patterns are very common, but others are not very common, right sir? But we have to study all the patterns. We must know these patterns. But I tell you one thing friends, we need to master some popular patterns, just like I told you, top, double bottom. These patterns are very common. Okay, and it can be found in any stock. Once the stock goes to some makes low any day or few days, it remains down, or in stock sometimes they made the top. So those patterns are common, and we need to look at those stocks which have fallen down and the stocks which have made some tops. So there we can keep just watch on those stocks. We can keep them in a watch list also, and keep on watching them daily basis. So any day we get some confirmation of the breakout, there we can enter in those trades accordingly, right? But yes, some patterns are not very common. Okay, so there is one more pattern friends, opposite to that. Once I told you about ascending triangle, there is an opposite triangle, that is descending triangle. Okay, in descending triangle, stock makes approximately equal low. Okay, it makes equal lows, and we can say lower highs. So we could say that there is something like that. It is almost similar to that stock is making a lower high condition. You could see stock is making a lower high condition. Okay, and there is approximately equal low level. Okay, so actually this pattern has completed here. It has given a breakout of this level somewhere. We could say that stock has completed the pattern here. Okay, this is our descending triangle. Opposite to ascending triangle, there is a descending triangle. So you could see here, stock has once made this level, made some high, then came down, made some low, again given upside, again up, down. Okay, so here it made a pattern where the highs were lower and lows are equal. In this case, lows are equal. So lows are acting as support and highs are acting as resistance. Okay, so we have to wait for the stock to give a breakout. So it may give breakout either side, but generally it's a continuation pattern. It's a continuation pattern. Stock are most likely to continue in the same fall, because stock was falling, so it may continue falling down. Okay, so you could see here it has given a breakout of this day. Okay, so here we need to keep stop loss of this level. Stop loss, it was 19 only granules. Okay, it's a small stock. Okay, so its stop loss is somewhere around 1920. For safe side, we may keep 20. Okay, 20, 19, 20. Okay, it's a stop loss. Okay, and the breakout was done below 18, because see, it's a small stock actually. In this case, it was stock at that time. Okay, so it has given a breakout. Okay, then again it started upward journey, upward movement is started. Okay, but has not broken this level, the level from where it has fallen down. We can take 19.6070 also. So stock next time it rose up to 19.08 only, or maybe 19.1012. Okay, and then again given a dip. So here we need to check it, how much difference is this. This is 23, let us say 23 or 24, and this is 18. So we could see expect around 6 points approximately. Yeah, hardly 5 to 6 points, because that time it was small stock. Okay, so now let us see after this breakout 18 level, we could say 18 level, it has gone to 15 level once. Okay, then again moved up to 18 again, and after that it has given a big movement downside. After that it given a big movement. So friend, this is our descending triangle. Let me just Google search it. So ascending triangle, I told you this is ascending triangle, and opposite to ascending triangle there is descending triangle. And descending triangle can be both bullish and bearish. Means it can be formed in up, same uptrend or in downtrend also. Stocks may fall or they can rise. So you could see here there is a pattern. Stock was already falling down. It made some highs. Okay, and then here is a breakout and given a downside movement. And see, after this, during this breakout also, it was rising up and down. So stocks may give some movements like this. Look at this also. Stock was already in uptrend. It made to this high, then down move. Okay, and then here is a breakout. Okay, so simply in this case, friends, we have to look for the condition where stocks are making, stock is making equal low levels or support levels, and highs are decreasing down. Highs are getting lower. So you could see one more picture is there. Stock was in uptrend. It made to some high. Okay, then started downward. Okay, then again it moved up but could not, cross the previous high level. Okay. This time the high is lower than the previous high. Again given a downward movement, made almost equal low level, then again moved up. Okay, here again it made a lower high, less than the previous high. Again down. This time the high was approximately, we could say approximately equal. Okay, then again down. Here you could see the lows are almost same, but highs are getting lower. Overall highs are getting lower. So if we take a line and connect the highs and one more line to connect the lows, so we get a shape of a triangle. But the triangle is moving down actually. This triangle is coming down, so it is named as descending triangle. So here is the breakout. This is the breakout, and see this range. The range from where the breakout has started. This pattern formation has started. It is called the base range or the base of the triangle. So our target will be approximately equal to that. But you could see here the stock has not given that much. Sometimes, friends, the stocks do not give 100% of the the range. Sometimes they may reverse somewhere in middle also. Okay, so this is an incomplete one. Look at this. Look at this, friends. How it looks. So we need to identify these patterns. See here, it made the same pattern. This time it given a positive breakout, or we can say it's a bullish breakout. This time here it is bearish. Stock was already downtrend. It was uptrend. It was in uptrend, gone up, made some low, then up and down. Okay, here it given a bearish breakout. Bearish means it is downside, so bearish. Look at this also, friends. Look at this level also. Okay, so these lows are equal, so they act as support, and the highs are getting lower. Okay, after that it's a breakout. Okay, and after breakout you could see that stock has came down to some, we can say somewhere entry level also. Once again it came to entry level. Okay, again given a big movement. So this is our descending triangle, friends. Okay, so now let us try to find some more. Let us start from the latest level and go back. So in this condition we need to find almost equal lows with the, we can say, decreasing highs. So friends, we can consider this also, because it's a double or triple bottom also, and it has a situation that highs are getting lower. So this is one high level. Okay, one level, this level is almost equal to this. Okay, but lows are higher and highs are getting lower. Okay, here lows are almost equal. I will just shift this line. Okay friends, so you could see this level. So it is actually, it has formed a triple bottom also, and there is a descending triangle also, because here the highs are getting lower and lows are almost equal. And see, here is the breakout level. At this level it has given a breakout and given a movement upside. So what is the range? Range is from 135, it is 103, we could say 105 to approximately 135. Okay, so means friends, approximately 30 points movement is there. So we have to see from this level of 110, 112, stock has moved up to one time this, here it made up to 145. So till this time it has met with our target, till this time. Okay, by this time it has given us a target. Okay friends, got it? Descending triangle. I think there is one more. Yes, this is also here. So the lows are approximately equal. Okay, so here is a breakout. This candle is a breakout. Even this candle, 1 minute. So this candle, at this candle, stock has given a breakout upside. Okay, you could see there is a false breakout in downside also. It has gone some down also. So that's why friends, I told you, one time it given a false breakout in the downside also. You could see there is a candle that has gone below it. I will just shift this line little higher. Sorry. So we could see here friends, there is one more thing. Okay, you could see that lows are almost equal lows. Okay, so stock has given a downward movement also. This day stock has given a downward movement also. Okay, but has not fallen from that level. After that, stock again came up. So sometime we need to, for confirmation, we need to wait for 1 day at least, and we should see whether the stock has remained in that range, okay, or gone below that level. If it would have broken the previous candle low, then we would have shorted it. Okay, that there we would have shorted it, but see, stock has not gone below. The next day it remained within the range of the this red candle, bearish candle. Okay, after that it moved upside. So given a breakout in the upside here. And now look at the candle, sorry, this volume chart. Let me just add volume also. Sorry, I will add volume, friends. So at breakout level we have to add, watch the volume also. So look at this level, there is a big volume because there is a big candle actually. So this is our descending triangle, friends. And now we have to see the level. It started its formation from 73 level to 74, we can say up to 92. Okay, 74 up to 92 means approximately 72 to 92. Sorry, 73. Sorry, 73 to 73, 74. Okay, up to 92. So approximately we could say 20 points. Approximately 20 points movement is there. So we have to see whether it has given that or not. Sometimes stocks do not give full targets. They may give half of the target. Okay, so see somewhere around 75 the stock has given a breakout. Okay, and it made up to 87 only. From 75 to 85. So it has just given, friends, it has hardly given us 10 points movement. So sometimes this may happen that stocks do not give full targets. Okay, it remained in this range. Okay, and this time it made it took a long time to give a break, we can say target, because see here in this case we will keep the stop loss of this level just little below this level. This level is actually 73, so we make 70.50. okay, so we may keep stop loss up at 73 also, 72 point something at 73 also. So see, stock has once came down, this time it could not break the entry level 75. okay, again moved up. Okay, so hopefully this ascending and descending triangle is clear to all. Friends, are these patterns clear? Ascending triangle and descending triangle. And for your friends, for your reference, I will suggest you an app, so you can download that app from Play Store. That is Chart Patterns. I think so. I remember Chart Pattern. I think. Let me just search it on Play Store. If I get its image, I will send you. So there is an app. So friends, if you check that app only shows particular patterns, and they are marked, the levels of target levels are marked there. Play Store. Yes, friend, the app is Chart Pattern Images. Okay, Chart Pattern Images is the name. Okay, that is a small app, 3.7 MB. Okay, so you could just download that app. That will give you some patterns with that picture, just like this picture. Okay, or picture like this. So that is an easy reference, app for remembering the particular patterns. Okay. So friends, both these patterns are clear to you? Ascending and descending triangles. In one condition we get equal highs, okay, and higher lows. That is ascending triangle. In another condition we get equal lows, but the highs are getting lower. right? That is descending triangle. Let us just try some other stock. Let us try check Grasim. Okay, Grasim. It has ascending triangle, friends. Ascending triangle is here because this level is approximately equal and the highs are getting, sorry, lows are getting higher, and this is a breakout candle. After that, stock moved there. Hello, Manoj sir. Good evening. Okay, not getting here. Let us try some of the stock. Let us check Reliance Capital. Friends, Reliance Capital, look, keep a watch on Reliance Capital. Okay, it has come to previous one strong support level. You could see stock has once fallen down, it made to this support. Okay, so after very big movement upside from that level, stock has given a correction. So friends, if we get it somewhere around 135.40, yeah, 140 somewhere, In this range, keep a watch in this top. Now it's given a closing at 360, somewhere around 140, 145 even. Okay, it may give a reversal or may give a dip till 130 or so. After there is a sure reversal, friends, because see there is a double bottom. This is also one of the patterns. Okay, so there is a double bottom pattern. So from this double bottom, it will give a big movement upside. So keep a watch on this stock. So I'm telling you in advance, because sometimes we are not able to find these patterns in the latest level. Okay, so I told you, now you will give me anytime you will study this pattern, so that time you just give me reminder that we have studied this recently. Okay, so this is our double bottom. Is it is still in formation. Actually there is a gap, somewhere around 20 points gap is there. Okay, and hopefully it will come down to this level somewhere. Okay, it's not sure that it will come to that level, maybe take reversal from this level also, but we have to keep a watch that if stock goes there, so there are high chances of around 140 to 130, 140 level, it will take a reversal upside. So just keep a watch on this. You could see there is one more pattern, friends. This is one more pattern. It's similar to double bottom also, and there is a rounding, inverted rounding bottom also, inverted rounding bottom, ulta rounding bottom है, ठीक है. तो ये this is also a reversal pattern. Okay, so I could not find this level. Oh, sorry, this pattern. Let us check. I think yeah, lines cannot have that. Let us see lines also. So friends, you just keep a watch on this stock. See, it has made almost equal low level. It is latest, friends. It is latest, and there is a descending triangle formation. You could see here. So now keep a watch on this stock. So far it is at this level. So forming a descending triangle. It is latest. It is latest trend. Now we have to see for the stock to give a breakout either side. So it will give a breakout either side. Maybe it will give downside breakout or upside. Means positive breakout. Upward breakout would be positive and downward is negative. Or we could say upward is bullish breakout and downward is bearish. So friends, keep a watch on this stock, Reliance Industries. So it has made lower high condition and equal lows. You could see one low after this. After this low, we could say after this level, stock has given a movement up to this level. Okay, then dipped up to this, again moved up, again dipped, right? So now we have to wait for this breakout to happen. Okay, so just keep a watch on Reliance Industries. So how much target we can expect after the breakout? So we can expect target of, let us check, 1200 let us say 1210 up to 1325. What is this? 1210 and 1325, 25, 30. Okay, so let us say 30. Okay, so approximately 120 point, friends. Approximately 120 points movement will be given by this stock. Approximately. Yes, approximately 20-30 points are expected in this stock. Either side, either breakout upside or breakout downside. Okay friends, so hopefully these two patterns are clear, everybody. Ascending and descending triangles, how they look and how we should enter. So friends, don't be in a hurry to enter in a trade. Same way, don't try to enter in these patterns also. We should not try to be in a hurry. We must have some patience, because stock is not likely to hit all the targets. Okay, it will, after the breakout, suppose it breaks downward side, so we need to wait for 1 or 2 days. Okay, so if it could break previous day's low, then we will go and short. But if it remains in there, just like I have shown one level, okay, and in upside also same thing applies in upside also. For one day, the breakout day, okay, maybe the breakout is false. Sometimes the breakouts are false. Sometimes the breakouts are false, so there are chances that stock can take reversal also. So we should not be a hurry. Okay, we need some patience. We need to wait patiently for 1 or 2 days after the breakout level. Okay, if stock continues in the same direction, then we can take an entry. Okay, keeping stop loss of the low of previous low actually, this level, somewhere 102. Yeah, 102 to 3. This is the latest low, and in upside, same thing applies in upside. friends, are these patterns clear? Both ascending and descending triangle are clear? Hello? Okay, sir. So see, I have just shown you Reliance Industries in formation of this descending triangle. So we have to wait for that. See here was ascending triangle is here. Look at this. It was ascending triangle here. It formed ascending triangle. Look at this level. Okay. Truly it is start from somewhere here. Yeah, I think it seemed like this level. Breakout level start from this. Okay, so we need not to connect to full triangle. Okay, just look at this. There is a formation of triangle like shape. Okay friends, so we could expect this much. So this level is 592 and this is 660. So approximately we can say 68 points are there. So we have to see whether it has given that or not. 64 level. What is it? 60? Yeah, 64 level. Okay. It has gone up to 720. Okay, so from 64, yeah friends, it has given that. It has given that much. 40 points are up to 700, 720. Yes. So 60 points are given by this stock. So friends, today we will close the session here because two patterns are I think enough. So I want everybody to practice these patterns now. Try to find these patterns in some stocks. So for that we have to give some time on charts. We have to study the charts of different stocks and try to find these patterns. If you get those stocks, please tell me also. Share in group also. Share the picture of pattern by drawing properly, just like I have shown. Just like I have marked. Okay, so you can take those, just like look at this, I have marked this descending triangle in Reliance Industry. Okay, so mark those pattern and send that picture in our group, learning group, so that others can also learn from your study and they may get those stocks to trade. Right friends, so I will close the video here. Session here because two patterns in a day are enough. Okay, so friends, I am here for 5 minutes, another 5 minutes. If there is any doubt, please tell me. I am closing the video.